You're a crazy puppy. You're all tired already? No? Okay. Neek! Got a little bit of snow this year so far. Not a hell of a lot. Enough that Proxy could play in. You gonna be too tired for your walk after poo-poo? Really? Gotta cut some trees. Starting to interfere with the cameras. Ended up installing another camera at the end here. That one's a little covered, but it works great. Gets plate numbers of vehicles driving by. Sucks. Tomorrow I'm back at work. Had a nice vacation, and now tomorrow I gotta go to work. See if the snowmobile trail is frozen enough to walk down. Seems like it. Don't choke yourself, poo-poo. Holy. Okay, Proxy, come on. Yeah, I haven't had time to do much all, you could say, week. I had plans to get some projects done. It's now, what's it, Sunday? So that's January 3rd? No, 4th. So, barely had time to do any snow blowing, but I mean, trees are very covered in snow. Nothing for crazy snow this year. Never even had to use the Bolins, but long story short is I'm going to start making more videos from, not maybe regarding cameras, but just general videos, you could say, from work, because I'm not getting any videos out here, and if I could do it on, you know, my company time, I'll do it there. Maybe I'll get some more stuff done. It might be to do with solar, lithium batteries, could be cameras, NVRs, networking equipment, computer stuff, just some random different things. You can see, or maybe you can't see, dead center of the screen. That's the other trail. I didn't even plow that yet this year, and I don't know. Are you sniffing deer pee? Stop laying down. What are you doing? Is that wolf pee? What are you doing there, poo-poo? Lots of deer tracks here. They took down the garden fence. Haven't had time to fix that. Now I got a duck on like every tree here. So this little bit of fresh snow. Oh, is that blood? Yeah, that is. There's blood on the trail. Well, where did I see it? It's not showing up on the camera very well, but there's a drop of red that I'm seeing there. So one of the deers has a sore or injured foot, you could say. That's the head spot she puts her head in every time I go around here. But yeah, so many projects. Picked up 2100 amp hour lithium batteries almost. So I might make this an electric trike project. Maybe that doom buggy frame. Stay out of the metal pile, poo-poo. Hard to say, but just got to decide what I'm going to do for the electric motor. Viver has a 3000 watt, but I think that's going to be way too small to move that thing. But I'm thinking maybe if I gear it down, because I don't want it to go fast. I want it to go like 15 kilometers an hour, just for slowly cruising the trails. Just a few other project ideas, but this is just a beginning of 2026 update video. And again, next couple videos I might post. Might try posting some from the business in the city and see how those go. I'm probably not going to make them, you could say, professional videos. They're just going to be general, everyday business activities, you could say. But a lot of it's to do with this stuff, the cameras and the different detection things. And there are certain cameras that work good. Like this AOS U brand, this is the only model that handles our winters, and I don't even have to knock the snow off that. It's still at 99% charge, even after snow blowing and everything else. The other models they have do not last in cold weather. Camera like that guy there. Other pan tilt zoom cameras like this. I might get a little bit more tech specs on these guys. Like this guy here, that's we sell them for 1,700 bucks. So that's a little bit of a higher end camera. Where this one here has more resolution, way more zoom. It's fully auto tracking, and That guy retails for about 400 bucks. Yeah. And it does virtually the same thing, but it's not brand name, and it doesn't have its NDAA and a few other issues. But other than that, this is just going to be a quick 4-minute video, just walking the poodle around the yard, and probably throw it up just the way it is.